I have to take care of my son, you know. Make sure you say him alright.
Sir, don't take it no wrong way, sir. I no peep me a peep on you, know, but me a peep on you for one good reason.
What is the reason, Tracy?
Sir, you say me a eavesdrop. I mean, I really want the problem in a but me ear, Mr. Skinny, pressure you for money. You know, say you see little time them when me there. Miss Cookie extradite me.
Extradite you?
Yeah, and I give me problem. So Chima give me problem now. Me start watch her good for know say she a exercise Mr. Skinny if he call you and pressure you if you give him enough money so she can go do ear and nails.
Okay. That's
Nobody go tell him back in, sir.
No man, that's just between me and you. Yeah. And you know, I see the way she been treating you for real. Cause even this morning, when I was sitting at the table, I saw that you were cleaning, and it's the same thing that you were cleaning. She come and try to make a problem out of.
And did I know what she wanna do too? She asked me say me spend half a whole of me money too.
So what that concern her? Is that's not her business.
Okay, so them a try to mine out little dollars out of your pocket, sir. Why, sir, Skinny are your son, you know, but he have a gold digger attitude. Go back, go clean up the place. Not tell them, you know, sir.
No, Tracy, I told you anything that we talk, it's just between me and you.
Yes, sir,
it's
yes.
confidential. Don't worry about it.
No, sir. Oh, God, I wish you were for me, father.
I can adapt you know, or probably you can come with the family.
Yeah, come would be better than Skinny to you as a family.
Maybe you'll be a good daughter-in-law, you know. Even if you're not my daughter, you could be my daughter-in-law.
Sir, I wish that could have happened, but it done gone bad already.
Don't wish. It will come true. I'm gonna talk to my boy, Skinny.
Yes, sir. Boy, I try exercise, sir. I mean,
that damn boy have that woman running his head. So that's the way he plan to live. Calling me every day, pops, send me some money because I want to do this and I want to do that. And it's that girl Cookie keep pressuring him to get my money. You know what? Cow never know the use until it turn oxtail to blast. Can't bother with them sitting here no man. Gold digger. Skinny. You know, I have to go to the bank, you know. I have to go to the bank because it seems like I left my checkbook overseas.
Bank?
Yes, son, I have to go to the bank.
But you know, so long that I take no pops. You mean?
It won't take long, man.
So you don't bring your credit card?
No, it seems like I leave everything because I was on a rush. And I just bring a little small change to keep balancing me.
I will tell Cookie now.
Tell who?
No, I mean, what time I'm going to go to get this thing?
Don't worry yourself, man. I'm going to the bank, so you can meet me in the town and get that money. Okay?
Alright, Pops, come. Alright.
I don't know what kind of plans you guys have, but uno with phone like a baby brain. I wonder what they really have on.
Come, Skinny. What? did he say?
Alright, so I'll not be last, but Pops I say him not carry him checkbook.
Why does he need a checkbook? What about the cash?
Him not have no cash.
Babe, he has cash.
You have cash?
Yes.
Oh, you know that?
It's just an instinct. Who would come to Jamaica without cash?
So you would have made all that money?
No, I doubt that.
Oh, so but he say I'm going in that town and get cash and remember say enough money, no, so probably not have enough. Better I go to the bank.
Yeah.
Because probably if he give me one half,
Yeah.
I probably give me one local change.
True,
Yeah,
true.
so
Okay.
I go to the bank.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, but I not expect him all if he checkbook.
I don't know. Well, if we're getting more money at the bank, no problem.
My son T. What Tracy? Tracy come already, you know? Tracy come already. I get son T.
Okay.
Tracy.
Hey, come here, Skinny.
Yes, pa.
I can see that no food is in the house. I wanted to go to the supermarket. Hold on, man. I'll get some food. This is $1,000 US. Go and do some shopping. Get some food stuff.
But
like
Pops,
that.
I thought you said you don't have any cash.
So Skinny, this is my pocket money. Should I leave myself broke?
So how much
Just
is that, Pops? You could give me
Don't
that
worry
and then get
yourself,
back your
man.
money in the bank.
So what? I have to travel with a cash. So a certain amount of cash on me. I cannot go in the town broke.
Yeah, all right, Pops. Tracy. Tracy. Tracy.
Yes, sir.
We're going. You have clothes. Yeah, we're going to the supermarket. You can't go to the supermarket in.
Me of course, sir, but me did I go deal with some food.
No man, let that stay, man. We're going to the supermarket now. Okay?
Okay,
Right.
sir.
Cookie. Hey, get ready. We're going to the supermarket
Put me
now,
up
okay?
here.
All right.
Hurry up, because I'm going to left me now. I got supermarket. You know, say one of them big dear one, them I go in a big dear supermarket. Hope a Progressive or Mega Mart or one of them one day now, because I never go there yet.
You lock?
Hurry up.
You buy peanut butter.
Babe, where's the money?
Eh?
Where's the money?
What money?
That gave you.
Oh, for sure. Me have it, man.
So why did I have to ask for it?
Babe, I'm not same place where I buy supermarket,
Hurry
babe.
up, yeah. Same place. 8, 9, 10. So we're taking all of this to the supermarket?
Yeah, be had that, Pop say.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, okay. Alright then. Yeah, you hold this one. I'll hold on to this.
So now all like where I carry supermarket?
Yes, we're gonna bring the all of it.
So why you separate it?
We're going together, babe. So why I can't have money in my purse?
Alright.
Meet me outside. I'm coming.
Alright.
Yeah. I have to put on my lip gloss. I'm coming now.
Real puff, man. After everything, man, everything we set done.
Babe, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry,
Ready?
ready?
Yeah,
Oh,
come on.
sorry, you look nice. You look like the man that will play gun passport.
For sure, man. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Alright.
Alright. Alright, come. Come on, baby.
You guys be careful on the street, yeah?
Miss, you look lovely too, like the dress.
Later, Pops.
Yeah, man, be careful on the street.
Yes, Pops.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
What about me, Dad?
Okay, have a good day. Have a good day, Cookie.
Alright.
Go on, so. Oh,
Wait
Zeus.
for me, Miss. Wait, come on, put on my coat.
You look nice, Chubby.
You look